C.V. Raman as a science communicator, a historical perspective by G.V. Pavan Kumar. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkatraman, C.V. Raman, was one of the India's most renowned scientists and Nobel Prize winner. Moreover, he was an outstanding educator and a captivating public speaker. Here in C.V. Raman as a science communicator, a historical perspective, G.V. Pavan Kumar, the prominent physicist, explains how Raman's strong dedication to research and teaching influenced students. Apart from this, he also explores Raman's initiatives to popularize science and make it more exciting through his effective public talks and lectures. Raman had a deep appreciation for classical and quantum physics and ensured that his students got the flavor of these subjects. Among many topics that he discussed with the students, electricity, magnetism, and physical optics fascinated his students. One of his students, L.A. Ramdas, whom he taught in Calcutta, said that as he was conducting several investigations in physical optics then in 1920, they were introduced to the topic as it were hot from the lab. According to Professor C.V. Raman, the study of the history of individual branches of science and of the biographies of the leading contributors to their development is essential for a proper appreciation of the real meaning and spirit of science. So he always captivated his students in his class by telling them the stories behind all the great discoveries and inventions of the past. Though Raman had many tussles with administrators and fellow scientists, he didn't hesitate to interact with the public and open his laboratory for their occasional visits. Generally, scientists won't communicate well with the public, but Raman was an exception. In 1938, he gave a radio talk on the new physics, revolutionary advance. There, he talked about Lord Rutherford and Madame Curie and their great contributions to the building of the new physics, along with others. Raman also believed that science could influence society, and so many of his writings and interactions on public forums echoed that. Raman felt that science could uplift humankind and would have a dominant role in influencing the lives of Indians and the world. He knew very well that when India would get the transition from a colonial state to an independent one, science would have an important role in building the nation. However, his ability to express complex scientific concepts in a way that appealed to a broad audience bridged the gap between scientific research and public understanding. Doubtlessly, it made science more approachable. That is why C.V. Raman is considered as a science communicator.